I invest in everything the Federal Reserve cannot print. I don't trust anything they can print. I have no stocks, bonds, ETFs. I don't have a superannuation. I don't have any of that stuff. I don't trust my government.
Do you have some special advice for everybody out there today going forward economically? In other words, if you wanted to give them some little pearl, I know you've got many pearls of wisdom, but if you're going to give some little pearls of wisdom to people today, because this has been a nice chat with you, it's almost like a nice, comfortable chat where people can see who you really are. And I can see everybody out there was saying that you're a nice guy, Robert, and that's really good. I like to see, because I see sometimes in your interviews you're a little bit in the struggle and whatever because you're a professional. But I like this side of Robert Kiyosaki.
Well, let's go back to that Vietnamese woman in 1972.
Yes,
when I tried to buy gold at a discount, and she went spot. Well, today, because the U.S., what happened to the English pound is going to happen to the Aussie, is going to happen to the yen, the peso, the real, and the dollar. So the best investment today, this is October 2022, is silver. And the reason silver is the best investment is still about 20 in US dollars, about $20 an ounce. So today I bought another 1,000 ounces. I own silver mines also and gold mines, but I still bought another 1,000 ounces of silver because it's the big, I can't resist a bargain. Because when silver goes up, because it's used in the Green New Deal, solar panels and all that stuff, and silver is consumed, gold isn't. So silver today, October 2022, the biggest bargain you ever see. I predict that by 2025, it's 100 US to 500 US. So today in the US, I can pick it up for $20. It's the biggest bargain I've seen in time. The trouble is, Greg, you can't get any. The panic is on right now. I call my gold dealers, so we can't get any. There's so much corruption in the U.S. system that people are, and as a stock market in America drops, they're buying silver and gold. So my saying, I invest in gold, silver, oil, and cattle. I invest in everything the Federal Reserve cannot print. I don't trust anything they can print. I have no stocks, bonds, ETFs. I don't have a superannuation. I don't have any of that stuff. I don't trust my government. But I do trust gold, silver, oil, and cattle. And that's what I invest in. I only invest in things they cannot print. Right?
Well, as we see,
silver is the best bargain today. Gold may be coming, but silver today, buy it if you can get it.
That's great advice. And here we are in a time when if I was the doctoral shrink for the Dow Jones, I would say it's in the last 3 months, it's got issues, needs a lot of medication. It's got personal problems because that share market has some issues. There's an underbelly of challenge going on with the share market. You know that, and I know that, and we just don't know what tomorrow holds.
Well, that's why, Greg, I spoke out against the superannuation. When it first came in, I was in Aussie. And I said, you know what you're talking about. So you guys don't know what you're talking about. I'm not against superannuations. I'm against stupidity. So what's happening in America, America has a 401k. Japan has a 401k because they copy everything. And the stock market crashing, real estate prices crashing, pensions are going bust. My generation, the boomer generation, toast.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Robert, it's been wonderful chatting to you. You're an absolute global treasure. I think your best is still to come. And I want to thank you for making time to be with us. We have a wonderful big crowd on today, and also it's on YouTube, so there'll be hundreds and hundreds of thousands will see this interview. Thank you so much. It's good to see the other side of Robert Kiyosaki. It's
good to see you. Say hello to Harry Dent when you see him. He's a good friend of mine. But also, always remember this: Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oi, oi, oi.
Good on you. Steve Irwin to replace the Queen on the Aussie dollar.
The crocodile, man. Good on you. See you later, Robert.
Thank you.